Okay, so I'm going to start my 3C kit. The basis of my 3C kits, or my kits anyway, will be contractor bags. So 42, I can do 2 or 3 each per. I'm doing 2. Okay? For knives, for the cutting portion, and by the way, as you see, I already have it in this bag and it fits perfectly. The folding Ozark Trail knife, okay, the one that is actually a good knife, and and for my additional, that one. So, right now, cutting, well, not cutting, but combustion and extras. I'll do a separate video on that. Okay, for combustion, I'm gonna do what do I have for combustion? Let me pause real quick and get it. This and 1 or 2 of these. I'm doing 2 of these just because. And bam, 3C kit. Let's do, I'm gonna do 2 because why not do 2? Just why not? Just for backup. Now, let me go get extras. Do all that. Now some extras I can put in here. A couple cotton balls. Okay. And as I'm saying, I'm putting in that right there. And some nails. Okay. Let's open this to get some nails out. Hopefully it does open properly. Yes, it does. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. I'm getting some of the bigger nails, a couple with 4 of these nails. Okay. When we do those, I'm going to put these in here. Right? So yeah. I could get the tacks or whatever. No. No. Let's go over here to get this little snare. This is so I can have a bell. Or make a bell. This right here. Oh God. This right here. Put that in there as an extras. Then we can put in a bag of whatever we need. So yeah, that's or a thing. So yeah. The roof is on fire. So yeah. I'm gonna be putting in a can of like canned food. That I can eat and make into a bell. Into a little thing for water and all that. Right? Bam. We have a 3C kit. Yeah. Like I said, I will be testing this out like in the yard, obviously, because, be easier. 3C kit. Cutting, cover, combustion. Peace. It's in Post-Apocalyptic Survival, helping you make 3C kits and survive in the wasteland.